Hi everyone, welcome to the video. Today we are going to solve minimum points to reach destination. In this question we are given a grid of m cross n length. We have to start from the first top left trade point and we have to go in the bottom right direction. Okay, and we can only move downwards or rightwards, only in the right side or the downside. Okay, and at the end from top left to bottom right we have to reach. Okay, and we have to see, is there any way possible whether we can reach from top left to bottom right and we have a positive number at the end. We have positive number remaining at the end. How I will tell you with the explanation. Okay, see, at top left we have -2. Okay, and at bottom right we have -5. We want to know the minimum amount of number which we should have in the beginning, so that when we reach the bottom right position we should have a positive number, minimum positive number which we should have. Okay, it should be greater than 0. Let's say we start, and in order to know the path we will do the reverse traversal. We'll start from the bottom right and we'll move towards the top left, so that we know how many points we know at the end we should have. So if we start from bottom right we have -5. Okay, okay, we should always have points greater than this. Let's say we have -5 as of now. Okay, and now that we are doing reverse traversal, so rather than moving top and right only, we'll go top and left. Bottom, rather than going bottom and right, we'll go top and left, just opposite. Okay, from -5 we'll go to 1. Okay, which is 1. Then now -5 will add 1, which will give us -4. Then again we'll move one step ahead and we'll go to this 3. Go to this 3, which is just above the 1, just above the 1. And now we have -4 and we got a positive number, which is 3. We'll add it. We got -1. We got -1. And from here, from this 3, we'll move towards this -3, left direction, because we are moving in the opposite direction. So we got -3. And now we already have -1. We got -3. So we'll add it. We'll get -4. We'll get -4. Again, we'll move left direction, which is and we will reach the top left position, which is having value -2. We are having -4 previously and we'll add it, so we'll get -6. So -6 is the point if we follow this direction. Okay, 0 0 0 1 0 2. Okay, then 1 2 and then 2 2. This is the position if we reach, but at the end we should have a minimum positive number, so that we do not move out of passes. So any positive number we should be greater than -6 is 7. Okay, if we subtract 7 from 6, okay, 6 sorry, yeah, 7 from -6 we'll get positive 1. 1 is the smallest positive number. So in that case we will need 7 in the beginning. So you may say how I'm getting it. So rather than in this question we have to start from top left and reach the bottom right, we'll do the reverse traversal. We move bottom up, start from bottom right and move towards the top left. We'll calculate how many points we have, and at the end that will be our answer. Okay, so first of all I will create a dp. First of all I will create a dp, okay, of length m cross 1 into n cross 1, and we'll initialize it with float infinity in Python. And if you are doing for C++, in C++ it is int max. Cool. So I initialized a dp of m cross 1 into n cross 1 with float infinity, a very big number. Cool. Now a very important step, which is, and what we are doing, so we will set the cells to the bottom and right of this bottom right with a value 1. This will indicate that now we have to traverse with at least 1 point from the cell, 1 point from the cell. So there's a very famous question called saving the princess, for knight saves a princess without dying. Okay. Okay. Now what we do is, now we will again, let's see how I do. I will initialize the value with 1, bottom right position. Cool. Initialize it. And now we will traverse in the reverse direction. We'll start from the top, bottom left. Sorry, yeah, bottom right, and we'll move towards the top left, which is m minus 1 to minus 1 to minus 1 in Python. Because if we go to minus 1, it will only go till 0. And then n minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. Cool. Now we will update this value, update the dp value, update the dp value, which is the either the 1 or the minimum of 1 or the minimum of, which is I plus 1j, moving upwards or moving left rightward. Okay, moving upwards or rightwards. But we'll subtract with points currently at the points currently at the matrix points currently at the matrix. Have I done anything wrong? So it was 1 minimum of, okay, I have to start. Okay. So what I have done is maximum value of either 1 or from this value, okay, which is we'll take the minimum from this value. Either we'll move towards left direction or move towards the upward direction, because in the question initially, if we start move to bottom, sorry, top down, we have only possibility to move the bottom or right direction. But since we are filling the dp in bottom up manner, we started from the bottom right and we are moving towards the top left. So we have two possibility opposite to the given question, which is upward direction or left side. Okay. And whatever value we got, the minimum value, we'll subtract the current value at the cell. Okay, the matrix. So we'll get the points which we have. And at the end, when we have filled the DP completely, we'll return the top left position. It will hold the answer for us. Let us submit and check the efficacy. So as you can see, it does the job pretty effortlessly. So it took the time, since the time complexity is order of m cross n, but since we are using DB, so it will save us from some calculations. Okay, I hope you learned a beautiful concept and enjoyed it. Thank you. Have a very nice day.